Can we play you every week? I got 5 on it. West Ham, we put you to sleep. I got 5 on it. What? Tell them, Slegers put you to sleep, lads. What? Tell them. What? What? Hold that. I got 5 on it again, bruv. Yeah, Slegers ball is balling. My manager. My fucking manager. Bless up, Princessa. Slap the like button. Make sure you check out that watch along if you didn't. I did turn up about half an hour late for that. I can't lie. I've got a hole in my cigarette. I got a hole in my bucket. I had this market opportunity on this owner Spaniel. I don't know who she is. She's new, yeah? Oh my fucking days, bruv. This owner Spaniel have the bucket things. Bruv. Talking about things. My manager. Sexy. My manager is the best looking manager in the league. She's the best manager in the league. And guess what? Arsenal ladies are fucking class. I might just have to buy a season ticket. I can't lie. I might actually buy a season ticket. How much is a season ticket for Arsenal ladies? Arsenal ladies season ticket. Let's have a look at Arsenal ladies season ticket. I might actually have to buy a season ticket. Because I tell you now, the football's goated. The football is actually goated. It is actually goated. Is that all it costs? Oh my fucking. £137.50. Brother, we'll probably earn that off of this fan cam. I might actually buy a season ticket for Arsenal ladies. We stand with Slegers. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts. I'm going live with Sam Blancos FC on his channel, Real Madrid channel. But I'll be real, yeah? £137.50 for a season ticket for Arsenal. And you know that they're going to play sick football. They're going to play proper football. Yeah, they were quality tonight. Slap West Ham. Comfy. Top of the table. Yes, they've played one game more. However, doesn't matter. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Arsenal ladies, 130 fucking 7 quid. I'm going to buy a season ticket. I'm actually going to do it as well. What's the 6-game bundle? So that's the London. Sorry, it's not the London games. London City Lionesses, which is basically Millwall. Chelsea women, Liverpool women, Man City women, Top Spurs, and Everton. It's no longer available to purchase, it's telling me, so we ain't getting that anywhere. 100, and that's what? For that, that's 84 quid for the 6-game bundle. £137.50. You get 11 games at the Emirates. Priority access to Meadow Park and away games. Membership pack, 10% off retail and in-store. Ballot entry to meet and greet. Hey, we might meet Chloe Kelly, bruv. My baller. Yeah, my fucking baller. Chloe Kelly FC. Yeah, Russo FC. Yeah, these girls are so good to watch. It is unbelievable, mate. I swear to God, yeah. Right, and I'll be honest with you. I've said it a million times, and I'll say it again until I'm blue in the face. We're dragging women's football out of the gutter this season. We dragged La Liga out the gutter. Right, Mayoche and G's drew 2-2 against Alexis Sanchez FC Sevilla. He got an assist for all you statisticians and mathematicians. However, The football tonight was so good. Like, honestly, yeah, like, even the penalty that Russo took, yeah, you just knew she was going to score. Some of the football was just cold. The way they bopped the ball around, like, it's just so good to watch. Yeah, the manager is so good. Yeah, this woman is a fucking great coach. I swear. Put her in the men's team. Yeah, get rid of Super Duper Mick and give her the job. Yeah, I said this last week. I say it again. I'm going to say it every single week. Yeah, there's going to be games they lose, of course. They can't win every game. I get that. However, 1-0 down and 1-5-1. I've got 5 on it. Yeah, Olivia Smith coming off the bench, winning a pen. Russo, bang, bang. Beth Mead controlling. Yeah, Ford. She played well tonight, by the way. She played fucking really well. Yeah, very well. Yeah, the goal was cold as well. Yeah, and this is my point. Yeah, it's like I was one of these people, and people go, "Oh, utter woke nonsense, all this crap." Yeah, cool, whatever, mate. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Yeah, nobody cares. Yeah, Stina bagging. Yeah, like, bro, I swear the way they play football, the own goal was crazy, by the way. The own goal, it hit the post, and the goalkeeper just threw it in the back of the net. I don't know what the fuck Van Domslaar was doing. Yeah, Van Domslaar was Van Domslotting. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, however, yeah, didn't matter because we knew even if we went 2-0 down, we're going to win. And this is when I watch Spain win and watch Real Madrid. Doesn't matter if you're losing. You know, Arsenal ladies are going to come back. Yeah, they're going to come back. They're going to win the game. Yeah, they're going to win the game. Yeah, it's just so easy to watch. It's nice. It's like it resembles something that was what I was watching as football back in the day when I was growing up, watching the proper football. Like this era of football is tabs. However, women's football, yeah, is better than you think. I can't lie. Yeah, it's better than you think. Yeah, and anyone who didn't watch it, go and watch it. Go and watch the highlights. Go and watch the highlights. Go and watch the highlights. Yeah, I swear down, yeah. Arsenal ladies are so good. So good. We're bringing Pelova off the bench. We're bringing Olivia Smith off the bench. Like, come on, what are we doing here? Beth Mead, yeah, bless up to her. Ledge. Yeah. It's just, we're bringing Stina off the bench and that. It's just so nice to watch. It's like, you're literally sitting there watching something that resembles football. Yeah, that actually resembles football. Yeah, and it's like when you watch the men's team, we already know it's just boring crap. Yeah, and it's kind of whatever in it. Yeah, there was no Chloe Kelly tonight, obviously. Yeah, my baller, but didn't matter. Yeah, West Ham had a little go. They scored a goal, lucky goal. Yeah, goalkeeper threw it in, whatever. Yeah, but every single one of them goals was cold tonight. And yeah, Mariano again, fucking sick. Manham, fucking sick. Scored again. Yeah, Ford scored again. Yeah, nice header. Russo bagged twice. Yeah, it's just nice to watch, man. Yeah, it's literally nice to watch. Yeah, bringing Hines off the bench. Yeah, Steiner off the bench. Like, bro, Arsenal got a very good squad. A very, very good squad. Yeah, and I'll be honest with you, yeah. I think Arsenal will win the league. I said this on the last fan cam. This manager, yeah, she's unbelievable. It's not just because she's sexy, and she is sexy, bruv. Yeah, she's buff. Yeah, buff team. Yeah, however, she's actually a very, very, very good coach. Yeah, and she ain't jumping up and down doing all the fucking Peter Crouch. I don't know, I look like Peter Crouch. Fucking get out of here about Peter Crouch, you pussies. Yeah, but she ain't jumping up and down on the touchline. She's just calm. Yeah, and when the players look over to her for inspiration, she gives them inspiration. She's telling them, yo, do this, do that. But she ain't on their case all the time. She ain't micromanaging everything. Yeah, and this is why, yeah, I know Chelsea are very good and Chelsea are insane. I can't lie, yeah. Chelsea are a very good women's football team. This manager's winning the league this season. She's winning the league. And I'm going to buy a season ticket. Whether I go or not's another story. However, I'm going to buy a season ticket. this manager, bless up to her. Yeah, and bless up to all them girls, yeah? Because Russo run her, I would say, her bollocks off. She run her tits off. Am I allowed to say that? Oh, you're misogynistic. Nobody fucking cares. She run her tits off tonight. Yeah? She run her tits off. No Chloe Kelly. Olivia Smith was on the bench. Yeah, Ford. For me, Ford was the best player on the pitch. Yeah, I thought she was outstanding tonight. Yeah, the goalkeeper had a bit of a mare, but didn't really have a lot to do after that. But the way Arsenal ladies play football, it's just nice. Just sit back and you know they're going to score goals. You know it's going to be pretty patterns. You just know it's going to be a goal at the end of it. Yeah, and they're going to keep attack. 3-1 up, 4-1 up. They're still going to attack. Yeah, there's going to be games where that goes and fucks you up the other end. When you play Lyon, maybe in the Champions League, or Barcelona. Yeah, and Barcelona are relentless. Bon Mati scored a couple of goals again. Yeah, but at the same time, in the league right now, she's doing her job. Yeah, and fair fucking play to her. And fair play to all of them women, yeah? Every single one of them, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, fair play. Take a bow. Yeah, without players in the squad, there are players on the bench that are some that people who say are the better players. Their Arsenal ladies team are sick. They're so good. Yeah, I love watching it. And like I've said, and I'll say it one more time for the cheap seats at the back, I used to slag women's football off all the time. Why? Because I never watched it. Now I watch it, I'm hooked. Yeah, I'm hooked. Yeah, because it's actually good football. Yeah, I'm watching the La Liga highlights right now. Espanyol Osasuna. Yeah, it's showing all the highlights. Look at that cross. Oh my days, what a goal. What a goal. Yeah, I'm just watching all the highlights. Yeah, but it resembles good football. I like good football. I don't care whether it's women's football, under 18s football, men's football. One thing I can tell you, though, the Premier League is shit. And on that bombshell, we're out. And I'll be back potentially for their next game. It depends whether it coincides with anything else. Yeah, so keep your eyes peeled. Bless up my princess, Slegers. My fucking manager, mate. My manager. Bless up. And big ups to the girls. 5-1. 5-1. They're bagging goals for fun. Yeah, and Chelsea got a bit of competition this season. Yeah, and I'm telling you, she's winning the league. And on that bombshell, we're out. Slegers in. Give her a full-time job for the men's team. Bosh.